This is a infrared TV remote controlled robot, where we have a standard TV remote. Based on the standard TV remote, when we send signals, now for example, when I send this signal, it comes this way and it goes this way and stop, and when I turn this way it goes this way, or I turn this way it goes this way. All this happens by using an infrared receiver here with this TV remote, which transmits infrared data, which is again fed to the microcontroller, where the program is so written that it gives command to the 293D motor driver IC, and of course these are the standard connections which have been explained earlier, and using voltage regulator and then certain crystal oscillations, and the motor driver IC does the work. And this is what is the functioning of this particular model number 28. Thank you.